Show me the love. A table. It's very, very busy there. Play here. Live music every night here at Tapa. A resort hotel Sanur. It's the counter here. And then wow, look at this. See, it's so busy outside. It's also quite busy here at sale. A few customers outside here. There's specials on the menu. Tangs. This is a great deal for the beach. Fresh mango juice, only 28k. Okay, just before I start this evening's video, I want to wish all of my subscribers and viewers a very Merry Christmas 2024. So tonight I'm here in the Sanur area of Bali. It's Christmas Eve, it's 7:30 p.m. and what I'm going to feature in tonight's video for you is a beach walking tour from Duyung to Semawang beach. So the Duyung beach location here in Sanur is my personal favourite location here in Sanur, given the fact that it has the biggest collection of beachfront restaurants here in Sanur, and a fabulous collection at that also. So tonight's video, the starting point is going to be the Duyung beach sign. I'm going to turn left first of all and take in 3 restaurants to the left on the Duyung beach location, and I'm going to come back to the Duyung beach sign and turn right and make my way along all the way along to the Semawang beach location, taking in all of the restaurants and just giving you a general idea of the activity here in Sanur on a Christmas Eve. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a beach stroll here in Sanur. Okay, so this is the start point for this evening's video, the Pantai Duyung, otherwise known as the Duyung beach sign there straight ahead. So we have restaurants to the right here. This is heading towards the Semawang beach area, and the majority of the restaurants are in that direction. First of all, we're going to head left. There's 3 restaurants in this direction. So just on the corner here, this is a place called Limo Beach Cafe. Can't see the sign because it's too dark. So we have an inside seating area there at Limo Beach Cafe. It's not busy inside, however there's quite a few customers sat outside at the front here. Smoothie bowls, gluten-free stuff here. Some customers sat on the seating area out at the front here. Next we have Seagrass by the beach. This is a 2-storey restaurant. It's very, very quiet looking. Wow. Just a few customers sat out here. Inside seating area as well. Just some customers in the back there. A new croissants and pastries thing just added here. Player Cafe. Unfortunately, the outside seating area at Player Cafe has recently collapsed last Monday evening. So it's a bit quiet here now. It's usually very, very busy, this place. They all sit out on the front though, but with that gone, it's a little less busy. However, there's still quite a few customers inside there. Still a few customers inside, but not as popular as busy as it would usually be. Everyone usually sits out on the front and it's usually packed there. Okay, so just back at the Pantai Duyung sign, we have this funky looking man wearing the funky hat, the lasers and things on the floor here. Okay, so we're back at the Pantai Duyung sign now, or the Duyung beach sign. Now we're going to head in this direction. So just behind me, this street here, this is a street that leads back up to the main street of Jalan Dana Tambalingan. This is Jalan Pantai Duyung or Jalan Duyung. So we have Soraya the Grill's beach side on the end here. A little bit empty inside there at the tables and chairs. Usually everyone sits outside, however it's not too busy in the tonight. Have some rack here, happy hours. Have a few customers sat over by the ocean there. It's Very, very quiet for Christmas Eve. Wow. I'm pretty sure this next place is going to be busy though, it usually always is. This is a place called Coco Bistro. Wow, yes, this is busy. Seating here. Pool table in the back there. Busy inside the restaurant. It's going to be busy outside the restaurant as well. See big groups of people in there. The wood-fired pizza counter here. And then wow, look at this. You can see it's so busy outside. Full. Just the odd table free out here. Special on the breakfast. Coffee and croissant or carrot cake or cheesecake, 70k. For lunch, 89k. So busy here at Coco Bistro, probably the busiest restaurant on the beach at this time of an evening. All of the fresh seafood here. Lobsters, big king prawns there, squid, and then the mussels. So just next door to Coco Bistro we have Bamboo Eatery and Bar. No customers inside, but I've already looked at the left, there's lots of customers outside. So busy outside, literally every table full. There's 2 tables empty, I see there in the middle. Very busy. There's the specials on the menu. The happy hour on the cocktail. It's all there at Bamboo. We just continue on. Just on the right now we have Umba. Not too busy, it never is usually too busy this place. Oh, there's a few customers sat out at the front here. Got some nice, lovely sofa type seating there with soft cushions. Nice for relaxing. There's a name, Umba. Nobody sat inside. Just next here we have the Bali Sanur. Can't see the sign because of my camera settings. Here's the beers and bintangs. So the Bali. Just a couple of customers sat out the front there. Happy hour on the cocktail. There's the inside seating area. Fishing boats as the counter. Cocktails 35k to 100k. Package Christmas.
You wouldn't even know that language if it wasn't for some people would.
Family in front here. So next we have Izakaya. A few customers inside Izakaya there. Majority again sat outside here. Busy there at Izakaya also. This is a great deal for the beach. Fresh mango juice, only 28k. That's a very good price for the beach. Beautiful inside seating area there at Izakaya as well. But you can see the majority of people seem to prefer the outside seating area. Next on the right and left here. This is my personal favourite restaurant here on the beachfront. This is a place called Lila Pantai. It is probably going to be also busy. Serves exceptionally good food, this place. I've featured this in videos. I shall be maybe even coming here tomorrow morning for my breakfast. Lila Pantai. You see, it's very busy. Many customers here. It's one of those restaurants I can honestly say I don't think you'll leave disappointed. Exceptional food, very good prices. You can see how busy it is here with customers outside. Some seating areas at the front also. busy inside as well, inside the Lepantai. Big group of customers in there. Just next on the right here we have the Nest Beachside Spa. Okay, so we're just continuing on from the Nest. So we have a little tourist information tour booking service there to the right. Looks as though he's already gone home. We have a place called Sale coming up on the right here. Hello! It's also quite busy here at Sale. A few customers outside here. This restaurant inside also. Some nice seating areas along the front here. The majority again are sat on the beach here. See, we have big groups of people here. So there's the name, Sale. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's a beautiful inside seating area. However, there's only 2 customers sat inside, the majority is sat outside. Continue walking along now from Sale. I think the next place that's going to be a little bit further up is a place called Pier 8. Okay, so just on the right now, this is a restaurant called Pier 8. Absolutely loaded with customers inside that. It's the busiest I've ever seen it. It's connected with the Intercontinental Pier 8. Wow, so busy inside there. So many customers. So they're all for Christmas parties and things. I just show the name, yeah. Name Pier 8 Sanur. You can see it's so super busy inside. Everyone eating for the Christmas. Beautiful Christmas decoration here as well. So this is the Intercontinental Resort Hotel Sanur. Seeing nice relaxing vibe there. There's also some music. Some people sat on the beach also here. There at the Intercontinental. Sure, it serves exceptionally good quality food, with it being the Intercontinental Bali Sanur Resort, 5-star resort that. We're going to have another favourite of mine on the beach coming up called Tapa next. Okay, so just on the left here, this is a place called Tapa. Again, a very busy, popular restaurant. Even though it's Christmas Eve, this is usually like this every night. See, it's so busy in there. Wow. Almost cannot see a table. It's very busy there. Wow, super busy. Usually have live entertainment as well. Looks as though they're taking a break in the back there. Special Bloody Mary, lychee martini, grilled lobster, 95k per 100 grams. Christmas 4-course set menu also. Anybody's interested in that? Maybe it's only tomorrow though. 325 a person. A little seating area inside as well. So super busy. There's a name up above, Tapa. Tables extend to the end here as well. So here's all of the different groups that play here. Live music every night here at Tapa. Some nice ice creams as well. Now we're going to head round the corner. There's a look Look at the beach, nice quiet, nice calm ocean. Next we have the Nest Signature Spa. So we have the Nets Beachside Spa lower down there. At the Duyung beach area, we're approaching Semawang beach area now. It's all already closed, the Nest Signature Spa. Next we're going to be approaching Avocado Lovers, and then another great restaurant on the beach, Studio de Pantai after Avocado Lovers. Avocado Lovers and Friends there. Specialises in avocado drinks. See them there. Keep meaning to try this. Also have mango and strawberry as well. Some smoothie bowls, 69k. Sandwiches, croissants. All there at Avocado Lovers. Merry Christmas on the window there. Now we've arrived at Pantai Semawang. Here's Studio de Pantai. Little Christmas tree. Show me the love. I wanna be next to you. Inside of Studio de Pantai. Very, very nice. So show you the live music. Nice relaxing areas here also. Oh, so loud. Studio de Pantai. Okay, so that concludes this evening's video, my night beach stroll here on Christmas Eve here in Sanur, from Duyung to Semawang beach area. So as you've seen with the camera in tonight's video, some of the restaurants were very busy and others were not. It was a little bit of a surprise to me, if I'm honest. It wasn't as busy as what I anticipated it to be. I only come out with the camera this evening to film this area because I thought it'd be quite lively with a lot of people, with it being Christmas Eve. However, that wasn't really the case. But nonetheless, there was still a few restaurants that are usually always popular and were even popular on this Christmas Eve. So we had Coco Bistro full with customers there. We had Lila Pantai also very vibrant now and full with customers. Tapa also very busy. The La Playa where I started, that is normally a very, very busy restaurant. Obviously we have the outside seating area that's collapsed last Monday, so not as busy as it usually is there. But all in all, nonetheless, still a relatively good vibe here at the, particularly at the Duyung Beach location. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed this evening's video. Hope some of you find this video useful, and I wish you all a very Merry Christmas, and I shall say bye for now.